Create a requisition from a buy list, guided flow. Click Documents. Click Requisitions. Click Plus Requisition. Ensure buy list is selected. A buy list, also known as a market list, is a custom-created ordering sheet for your most frequently purchased items. Search for the buy list you want to order from, scroll or type a minimum of 3 characters to find the list. Try searching by department or category to begin with. If you can't find an appropriate list, click here for instructions on how to build a buy list. Select your delivery address. If you have multiple delivery addresses, select the appropriate one for this order from the drop-down. Select the delivery date. This should be the date that you expect the goods to be delivered. This is also the date the spend will come off of your profit-loss report. Send the PO to the supplier? If you want a copy of the PO to go to the suppliers, leave this ticked. If not, untick the checkbox. You can always manually send this at a later date from within the purchase order. Enter a reference. This will appear on any invoice that relate to this order. You should input a general description of your order using any reference conventions your finance team have specified. Click Save. Select the department you want to order for. The buy list may already have a default department selected. The department will determine who approves the requisition. Select the AC account code. The buy list may already have a default account code selected. Type to search for the account code by number or description. You can search for the product you want to order from the buy list. Type the name of the product into the below field and click on Search or hit Enter. Click the products you want to order. Input the quantity and hit Enter on your keyboard. Make sure to take the pack size into account. The price will default to what is listed in your buy list. The ability to change the price requires the buyer, requisition or advanced persona. Select the supplier. The ability to do this requires at least the buyer, requisition or intermediate persona. Purchase Plus always defaults to the cheapest available supplier. If you have more than one quote on an item, open the supplier drop-down to see other suppliers and their pricing. Click and hit Enter to select another supplier. The premium displays the cost difference between the cheapest available supplier and the supplier you have selected. Repeat this process for all items you want to order. Click Submit. This sends your requisition for approval. Note: if your requisition is approved and a PO number automatically generated, this will not automatically send to your supplier unless your account has this setting enabled. The majority of customers choose to manually send their purchase orders after approval. This step outlines the approval requires for your purchase requisition to become a purchase order. Click Times to finish the purchase requisition creation process. You have completed this task.